Enjoy the view of this 2019 Jeep Compass. With less than 45,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. The Compass delivers refined sophistication, versatile SUV capability, the latest safety features, and an adventurous spirit. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: keyless entry, four-wheel drive, backup camera, remote engine start, satellite radio, heated mirrors, fog lamps, multi-zone AC, Bluetooth connection, aluminum wheels. It's the sophisticated beauty with bookish smarts. It's the Compass. Come in and drive it.